The E7 error code on a treadmill indicates abnormal power input to the control board, and it can be caused by an inadequate power supply or a faulty motor. To fix this error, start by checking the treadmill's power connection and ensuring it is receiving enough voltage. Compare the voltage rating on the treadmill's label with that of the power outlet, and try using a different outlet if necessary. Also, check if the circuit breaker has tripped and reset it. Inspect the wired connectivity and replace any damaged wires. If the issue persists, try switching off the treadmill, disconnecting it from the power source, and letting it sit for at least 10 minutes before reconnecting it. Additionally, the motor may need to be repaired or adjusted. This can be done by accessing the console service menu, which can be entered by clicking the select key, tapping the speed down, and pressing them for at least 2 seconds. Once in the menu, click the enter button 5 times to check the potentiometer value, which should read 1. If the value is incorrect, try adjusting the potentiometer to get the correct value. If the error still persists, it may be necessary to contact a service department for assistance.